Ukrainian drone army has become one of the most effective and important branches in the Ukrainian army, as they can weaken, destroy and gather information with a very low cost compared to the benefit. Weakening Russian defensive lines in every possible way, from targeting trenches, equipment but also logistic, as seen here when a FPV drone targets a Ural ammunition truck. As the big and slow target can only hope for a bad hit or bad signal, which wasn't the case here, causing the ammunition to detonate in the truck, leading to a massive explosion, taking out the ammunition and a supply truck from Russian forces, leaving a little less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.